Good afternoon, all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Uh, a regulator will always get the flag, whatever he does or he doesn't do. So, but we believe that we are less of a regulator and more a facilitator. Certain people even question that. It all depends on the perception. If I accept that something needs to be done the way I believe, or I believe it should be done, and if it doesn't happen like that, then they say you're not a facilitator. If you allow me to do things the way I want, then you're a facilitator. So, for the world, a facilitator is not only the one who facilitates the institutions who have set up institutions, the people who have set up institutions. So if we say we are facilitators, it doesn't mean that we look at the requirements of a management which sets up an institution. For us, there are several other stakeholders. There are students, there are teachers, there are the society, there is industry, and so on. Management is just one facet of that. So, for 2 years, less than 2 years that I've been there, probably a little more than 1.5 years, we have put in the e-governance part. So today, every single activity of AICTE is done online. Nobody comes to the organization, to AICTE. It's all done. It's a web-based application. People sit at home and do the job, whether it's setting up a new institution or whatever. Now, having said that, Professor very right in saying that accreditation should be at arm's length, quality, and National Board of Accreditation, which was earlier one of the boards of AICTE, on January 7th this year, has been formed as an independent society under the Societies Registration Act. So today it's independent, okay? So, yeah, though there are some attachments to the parent organization. Within the act, whatever is possible, we have formed a, under the Societies Registration Act. So NBA is a separate society today. Having said that, like the chairperson informed, I'm supposed to be from the next session, but I have a flight, I have to travel. And because of that, I came at the right time. The program was delayed. So I've joined this group. But though most of the topics are all related, they're all related topics. They cut across the spectrum. The best practices and all that is as much true for internationalizing the education as is internal to the education. We believe quality is a religion. It doesn't happen just like that. It's a philosophy, and it's like we practice religion, we need to practice quality. And it's not enough to say that I have these facilities, I have so-and-so, I've created so-and-so, and therefore the quality is inbuilt into that. Today, IITs or IIMs have the brand value not because they were IITs or they are IITs or they are IIMs or things like that. The input is good. The faculty who train those students, that is good. The infrastructure is good. The facilities, the facilitative mechanisms are good. The money is good. A lot of money comes in. So therefore, you need to build quality. You need all these ingredients. We have a spectrum where we begin at the top, and we have to cater, as a large country, we have to cater to the common denominator, the lowest denominator as well. And therefore, we need to, as a regulator, you set certain standards, and people have to, they are the minimal guidelines. A regulator doesn't tell you that this is the limit. One can always go beyond that. But they also have a tendency to bring in certain amount of complacency. People say we have reached this level as prescribed by a regulator, and therefore we must be good. So it doesn't happen like that. So quality is something that has to be built. There's a lot of effort that goes into it, and therefore not everyone could be of quality. You know, if you look at a real-time example, we have so many reality shows today. There are so many channels and so many shows going on. And if a child has talent, raw talent, they can excel. They can go to any of the channels, nobody will stop them. They have the opportunity, they have the means, they'll go and excel. With that as the background, we still have the same, in the so-called laughter shows which started about 10 years back, the same players who were working 10 years back, they are still the players who are working today. So there is only an incremental addition that has happened over 10 years time with so much of opportunity available. What does that mean? It means there is a threshold at which the quality will taper out. There is a quality which is at the top. There is a mass between that quality level and the poor level, and below that you have a very nominal poor quality. And unfortunately you require a massive input to bring some portion of this second level into that quality level, which unfortunately people are not willing to put. And there is an exponential inputs required to bring that marginal increase into the quality that we are talking about. There are a lot of training required. There are those fringe players who are operating. They need a lot of training, they need a lot of inputs, they need a lot of facilities so that they make the grade into the higher bracket. But that is what we have to do. But as a country, you need you have all kinds of people, so you need all kinds of institutions as well. Having said all that, we are looking at the exporting education, and collaborations is a great thing that should happen. It helps in cross-cultural exchanges. It helps in building the mindset. It develops in the attitudes and so on. So it should happen as much in technology as it happens anywhere in any other field. As far as technology is concerned, and as far as AICTE is concerned, we provide opportunities for institutions to have twinning programs where we have also liberalized some of the issues within the for people to go into creating twinning programs or collaborations with foreign universities. Only issue is in this country you can't give a foreign degree on this soil. Therefore, we have said that the degree has to be given abroad in the foreign institution, and therefore one of the semesters at least has to be undergone there. But that's a great idea. Part of the program you study here, part of the program you study there, and you also get a foreign degree of a good university.